Hey guys, this is Samir, and in today's video, I'll be talking about a very strange topic, which is smart toilet, which analyzes your butthole. I was kind of strange while creating this video and researching about this, but when I came to know about the application of artificial intelligence into this field, I was quite interested to know what is it all about. And then when I researched about it, I got some quite few articles which I'll be mentioning it in the description. But when I came to know about this, I was kind of fascinated about knowing this, that artificial intelligence can be implemented in these kind of technology, in these kind of fields. And having a smart toilet is kind of will be a necessity thing in the future. Like we have this this smartwatch, the Fitbits and other smart devices. This smart toilet is something that you cannot run off, right? And the speciality of the smart toilet is that it analyzes your butthole and tells you what problem is there in your body. As we all know, like most of the medical doctors know, that our butthole sizes, butthole designs are different according to the person, like a fingerprint. So butthole has also a unique shape, depending on the person and person's health too. And our waste materials that comes out of our body also tells pretty much everything about us, what is happening into our body, what is happening into your system, what are you eating, how healthy are you eating, and how unhealthy are you eating. So basically, this smart toilet is going to analyze everything that is there in your body, that comes out of your body, and tells you whether you have a disease like blood pressure or a cancer or anything else. But this smart toilet is going to analyze you and tells you whether you have this or not. And basically, this thing is something we cannot run off. Like we will be checked once a day, every time we go to the toilet, or we go to put our waste into the toilet. And coming to this technical part about this smart toilet I'm talking about, is that it has inbuilt Alexa system, and you can play songs from these kind of toilets, and you can flush it. You can play with the LED lights. There are some LED lights that are being attached to this smart toilet. And one of the most fascinating thing I've seen in this smart toilet is that you can know your blood pressure instantly with this smart toilet. When you put your waste into this smart toilet, you can know your blood pressure instantly. Coming to the fun and technical part of this smart toilet I'm talking about, it has an Alexa inbuilt system in which you can play any songs that you like. You can flush it using a voice command. You can even play with the LED lights. It has some LED lights attached to this toilet. So this is something that is going to be big in the future, and also will be acquired by many toilet companies. Even there is a toilet called Numi 2.0, which is I think Kohler. There is a company called Kohler. That company acquires Numi 2.0, which has worked on smart toilet and already deployed these smart toilet into some areas of the world. I don't remember, but I will put the link in the description below. Also, it has been tested when it was made at Stanford University. It has been tested on 21 people. And one more thing, the person behind this smart toilet is basically an Indian, and that is what fascinated me. That is what makes me proud. He's a professor at Stanford University, and he was the person behind this technology, analyzing your butthole technology, is by Mr. Sanjeev. He's a professor at Stanford University. And I was quite happy to know that he's an Indian. And again, coming to the smart toilet part, so this smart toilet is basically going to be a necessity in the future. This smart toilet is going to be everywhere. Like these bands, these smartwatches, these smartphones are everywhere now. In a similar way, people will be having smart toilet in their homes and in the hotels too. And That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be mentioning every link that I have read about this topic in the description below, and read that. You will know this advancement of this technology, and I was quite happy to see this AI is going to be everywhere. Like every AI researcher used to say that AI is going to be everywhere, and this is the proof. If AI can be in your toilet, it can be on the doors, it can be on the t-shirt, it can be on your bags, anywhere. AI will be anywhere that you think of. Thank you so much for listening. We'll meet in the next video. You can also listen to this video as an audio podcast on my podcast channel AI Hindi Show. And thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video.